must practice discipline from now. Because when you mix business and personal money, when you become a medium business and a large business, you're going to do the same thing. You see, now there's no consequences because SARS is not interested in you now. But at a later stage, SARS is interested in you. So the reason we create businesses is because of the tax benefit of a business plus the tax benefit as an individual. On the individual scale, your highest percentage of tax is 45%. In a business, it's 28% of what's left after all your taxable deductions. So for example, on R1 million, you pay 280,000. But now you've got all of these deductions, all of these expenses. So if all of the expenses come in, you're left with 100,000. Then it's 28% of 100,000 to 28,000. So you're paying 28,000 tax on R1 million. If it was in your own name, you would have probably paid 350,000, 400,000 rand tax. So the difference is now you've saved 350,000 rand in tax money from a structure, which is a business. But now, if you're mixing business money, so it's going to deem that money as accrued to you as an individual. What happens? 400,000 rand tax instead of 28,000 rand. Then what happens? You're losing out in the end. There's a legal way in which we can take money away from source. Again, a legal way by proper company expenses. So don't mix up. Practice the discipline from now. If this is business money, it must be business money. Right now, maybe you might not be able to afford an accountant. Speak to accountants and say, hey, gentlemen, how can I subscribe to this? Maybe once a year I can come in, I can give you my bank statement, you can figure out what happened during the year, I can pay my tax. You know why? So it's going to come and find you 10 years when the business is a success. Now you can have all of this negative media, oh, he's been evading tax for 10 years. You don't even know tax existed, bro. You understand what I'm saying? So it's important for us to get these structures right in the foundational stage. You understand what I'm saying? If you need to be a VAT registered vendor, how long should it take for you to become a VAT? What are the requirements for VAT? These are all things that we need to get in our foundational stage. So when we become big, our brand must not be tarnished by mistakes we made in the foundation. You understand what I'm saying? That's just my 5 cents, Jay.